Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the Wi-Fi section. Here we'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here once only on the switcher. And after that you'll see here all the available networks which we can just select and to connect. For example, we can go with the first one. Here you should enter your device the network password. If you want to see this password, click here on this checkbox, and now we can see, for example, just to have the password to have some mistakes. To just to don't see, just click here once again on the password to this checkbox again, and now I'll just enter the password out of screen. After that, just click here to connect. Wait a second, and now as can you see that my device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select one more network here if you want, and after that you can just switch between these networks if you want. To turn off the Wi-Fi you should click here once again on this switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open the top bar here, and somewhere here on the top bar, in my case it's here, and on the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once, and after that you can see that my device is connected here. But if you are not connected to the network, to select the network, hold for a while this icon and you'll launch again the Wi-Fi settings. And now just select one from these networks, enter the password, connect by the same way. And to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.